In 1900, Galveston faced a Category 4 hurricane whose approach would shatter complacency about coastal storms and seafaring life. On September 8, the storm struck with a lethal surge in winds, sweeping tidal waves over barriers and streets. The city lost thousands of lives and homes as floodwater buried churches, hospitals, and the economic heart of the port. Emergency governments funded Leviathan dredging and reorganized public works, elevating streets and building a comprehensive sea wall. The Galveston hurricane story remains a turning point in disaster science, urban planning, and community resilience.